中年好聲音3呢個星期日晚播出3大賽區60強1對1 PK 戰第2輪，外籍選手 Dan James 將會上場。佢上一回合以廣東歌李香蘭出戰，技驚四座。呢次 PK 戰佢就保守一啲，選擇咗獻唱英文 rock 歌，可以話炸爆全場啊！
好彩我可以係中型好聲音，嚟到舞台，玩到我嘅夢想。
Wow, Dan, that was really nice.
I've been trying. I've been practicing. Yeah.
How long have you practiced that for?
A few days.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Thank you.
And last time you chose a Chinese song.
I did.
Yeah, and how come this time you chose an English song?
Because I learned Lei Herlan. I learned this one, and the next one, the judges saying maybe you can try English as well. So I felt obviously more comfortable to sing an English song. I like to challenge myself with the Cantonese, but the English one, I did feel definitely more comfortable with.
而再戰中星嘅森林呢次再以耍家嘅許冠傑金曲出戰，為咗備戰，一向熱愛玩電單車嘅佢都話要忍痛停一停啊！
係咪因為中意呢首歌同埋佢好熟，所以就揀呢首歌？
係啊，其實 Sam 啲歌好多我都好熟，因為中意佢啊嘛。其實個音樂總監都好好嘅，因為佢同我設計嘅歌咧，俾咗好多個唔同嘅位我去發揮嘅。
會唔會都加好多啲台風喺入面？因為之前見你嗰啲都好勁喎。
係啊，係有設計嗰啲舞蹈啊嘛，唔知嗰個 physical condition 配唔配合到啊？
咁呢段時間有冇話做啲咩準備㗎嘛？
其實運動一路都做嘅，反而有啲嘢冇做就係、我有時中意玩電單車嘅，喺山嗰度落坑嘅。咁但係參加咗比賽之後我就停晒啦，因為始終學監製啊星哥講，你成個製作咁，如果有任何人出咗事，咁你就個責任好大啦。咁危險嘅嘢咪擺低先咯，咁等比賽完咗睇下個情況點先。